और यहाँ पे उन लोगों को गोल्डन फिश मिलता है, गोल्डन फिश। हाय हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ zishan और आप सबको मेरा सलाम। सो आई होप ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। सो अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वाला व्लॉग अगर नहीं देखा है तो जाइए और देखिए जो डेल्टा बीच के बारे में था। तो वहाँ से अब हम निकले हैं मालपे सी वॉक के लिए। तो या डेल्टा बीच वॉज लाइक हेवन, इट वॉज टू गुड। सो अभी मालपे सी वॉक जाने से पहले हम लोगों को मालपे बीच मिलेगा, बैरियर। लेट्स गो। Just say you will enter Malpe beach, you will get a black statue that is our beloved Mahatma Gandhi ji. You'll get the statue. It's a great statue, and from there we have around like 1 to 2 kilometer to Malpe Sea Walk. So you can walk from here or you can take a rickshaw. You can see over there, that is Malpe Sea Walk. वाइब्रेशन से तो हाथ थोड़ा गर्म हो जाता है। तो चलते हैं और इतना अच्छा नज़ारा है। So this is the parking of Malpe Sea Walk. Okay, the parking is huge, it's good, but the one thing you have to see is the left hand side. You can see this crowd. They are waiting for the boat, and it's too crowded, man. They are waiting to go to St. Mary's Island. Finally, we are in Malpe Sea Walk. The ride till here was too good, no? Crazy road, man. Seriously. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we are in the Malpe Sea Walk. So you can see the view. It's so beautiful. That's the Arabian Sea, and oh my god, look at this kid, man. Look at it. Oh god. And if they had left us to get our bike on this Malpe Sea Walk, we could have tagged like Malpe Sea Ride. Crazy. St. Mary's Island now. Okay, but they don't leave us to stay over there, na?
No, come back by evening.
Come back by evening. Oh. Where are they? Huh? Those are the fishermen. You cannot find anywhere in this whole world. आपको ये दुनिया में कहीं पे ऐसे फिशरमैन नहीं मिलेंगे, क्योंकि वो मालपे सी वॉक के बाजू में बैठ के फिशिंग करते हैं और यहाँ पे उन लोगों को गोल्डन फिश मिलता है, गोल्डन फिश। भी हम लोगों को डाउट है कि वो वाला सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड है या वो वाला। आदि तू क्या बोलता है, कौन सा वाला है, वो वाला है या वो वाला? That side. Okay, this boat had been to that side, right? Okay. This is the end of Malpe Sea Walk. I'm at the end of the sea walk. You can see the end of the sea walk. And one more thing is there is a helicopter ride over here. You can see the helicopter is coming. Where is it? Where is it, man? Where is the helicopter? Yeah, where did it go? I don't know whether you people have seen it or not, but I'm sure that you people have heard the helicopter noise. And the prices of helicopter, let's ask with our guide, Mr. Aditya Rao. What is the price of the ride, dude? 2,500 for
10 minutes, not sure.
10 minutes, not sure. There was a boat, I was so lazy to read it. But never mind, I am there. So this is Hello Tourism. It's an extreme adventure. It was on January 11th, 12th and 13th. So why don't we take you to a helicopter ride? end of the
hilly ride. Let's continue with
sea walk. So basically this is the Arabian Sea, and yeah, you can come here and you can swim here and enjoy swimming, and directly you can go to, if you have made good deeds you can go to heaven, if you made bad deeds you can go to hell if you swim over here. You got it? Salam Rocky, bye. Okay, bye. Salam.
this is how it looks from the end of the sea walk. So let's enjoy sea walk. These boats are coming from the St. Mary's Island. The boat looks empty.
The boat is empty since it dropped and came back. There is only one boat, I guess.
Let's enjoy the Malpe sea walk. Let's get back to our vlog. I hope you had a pleasure watching the videos. Now, always wear a helmet.
This caution. In case of accident, please do not remove my helmet until I am examined by a doctor. और इसमें राइडर नेम भी लिखा है. राइडर नेम आदित्य राव. ब्लड ग्रुप भी लिखा है ताकि किसी को कोई टेंशन ना हो. Crazy helmet, bro. But this is the father fisherman, this is the mother fisherman, and that is the son fisherman. As you all know, doctor का बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा, fisherman का बेटा fisherman बनेगा. Okay, gags apart, this sculpture is very good, and I think they have made this thing from. Let me touch and see. Hey man, what's up, dude? How are you? Okay, he's not gonna talk. He's not gonna talk. Fine. Actually, it's too hot over here, and I think let's move, bro. It's too hot, man.
So welcome back, people, all you good people over there. So this was Malpe Sea Walk. I hope you had fun watching my video, and yeah, right now we are just leaving out from Malpe Sea Walk. Okay, which way, man? Let's go. I think we have to go on the same route which we had come before. Bro, this way? Let's take a U-turn, man. Okay. So yeah, so the Malpe Sea Walk was a very great. I think it is one of the best tourist spot inside Udupi. And this is my vlog. This is Zishan signing off. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, please. And if you like this video, and share with your friends, enjoy, do whatever you want, man. So masalam, keep living, keep riding. See you at the next video.
तो बस आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं हमारे